Learn affiliate marketing with these proven tips. Affiliate marketing works for businesses because they can place a link on a related website that leads directly to them. They gain traffic because people are at the hosting website because of an interest in the area that the business markets to. The hosting website wins by gaining commission. This video delves into the area of affiliate marketing and the many ways it works. Signing on with a pay-per-sale affiliate marketing plan is risky, but it can pay off. When you have a PPS affiliate, you will only be paid if advertising on your site induces a visitor to make a purchase from the advertiser. This is a rare occurrence. When it does happen, though, the payout can be considerable, possibly even a commission on the product sold. When joining an affiliate marketing program, be aware of the time commitment required to see a significant return. Affiliate marketing is not a passive income source. You need to be out there actively promoting the product or service of the parent company if you want people to follow your links and buy the product. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. A lot of affiliates will get tasks in their email and then check them. Avoid this by creating a document that lists the important points in the email. This will save you time and increase your work speed. Instead of having to go back and check your mail, you can simply reference your Notepad. As the above example shows, there is much potential in affiliate marketing for both parties. The link that is clicked on only pays if someone goes to them through that link. So it is cost effective for them. By learning more and exploring affiliate marketing, you can bring traffic and profits to your website. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.